what's interesting is that there's a little bit of a pop cultural resurgence in it, which probably has been happening for the last 10 or 15 years, but I feel like that wave is still strong at this point. And in the same way that there's a resurgence in an interest in what my grandparents were like, which also even like the hipster beard thing, I'm kind of working on one right now, is also a bit of a shout out to, remember those old vintage days? Like there's a bit of an obsession with vintage, and I think Yiddish kind of falls into that, vintage maybe, that idea of going back in time and seeing when things were more organic. And I think that there is a certain portion of the population that's interested in pursuing Yiddish for that reason, and we fall into that. I also see, as mentioned, the brown derby delicatessen. You see that also in some of the other analogs of this, which are the music, Yiddish music, and klezmer, for example, and delicatessen foods. And I think in both of those areas, you see a bit of an uptick in interest. Again, some of it is sort of, oh, this is an interesting piece for a cultural part of the media, and so it can lead you to believe that it is an actually bigger or more popular thing than it actually is. But I do think that people are interested in it, and we find ourselves now in a milieu of a bunch of artists who are either, like you'll have the Gefilteria, who are part of this resurgence in Ashkenazic food, but finding new fusion-y ways to apply them in the modern day. For us, it's taking the old language, but finding new way, or even the vaudeville tradition, but putting it into YouTube generation.